This is the DJI Avata Pro View combo. Check it out. And beside it is the Fly More combo, okay, which gives 2 additional batteries. My name is Glenn and I'm in Singapore, and I'm probably one of the first few people who have gotten the DJI Avata FPV drone. I got this bundle at about 2,200 Singapore dollars, maybe about 1,008 US dollars. So let's do an unboxing video right now. The DJI Avata was launched in Singapore on the 26th of August. As expected, all stocks in Singapore are currently sold out. This bundle comes in 2 separate boxes, one with just the Avata itself and the other with the goggles and the flight controller. You can also buy each box separately. This is the Avata itself, the single battery charger, extra propellers in case you damage them, USB-C cables, and a whole bunch of instruction manuals tucked nicely here. And now for the second box, the goggles 2 by DJI. Unfortunately for now, these goggles can only be used for the Avata and no other drones out there. Some future DJI drones will be able to utilize these goggles. The power cable for the DJI goggles, I haven't actually figured this one out yet. The goggles head strap, and the flight controller. At the time of editing this video, I had already taken the Avata out for a ride, and I really highly recommend using the old controller instead because this one has its limitations. A USB-C to USB female, one of the most useless item in the whole package actually. The batteries for the goggles that I had innovatively tied to my goggles, I'll show you guys in a later video. And a whole bunch of instruction manuals that I swear you will not have to use it. I've positioned every single item on the table once again so you can see what are the exact contents you will be receiving when you purchase one of these sets. Ta-da! And now for the Fly More kit. You will notice that in this Fly More kit, it only comes with 2 batteries and 1 charger for 4 batteries. Unlike other DJI drones that comes with a Fly More combo with many different things, this one is really simple and expensive as usual. So this is the entire unboxing of the Pro View combo along with the Fly More kit. So see you guys, follow my channel to see more DJI footages. Bye!